stream on YouTube. I've had, I think, about 3 live streams on Facebook this morning, and all went well. And the challenge I always have with YouTube is I've been having a live stream even until now, 2 hours 2 minutes and 51 seconds, but it only recorded 17 minutes for me. Sometimes, you know, it always happens. Maybe my network, maybe I don't know, the software that I'm using, but it's all well and good. But today I have actually looked at, I think, this New York session. I've actually analyzed gold. Okay, the break of this level and a pullback, having a pullback there will be very, very good. And also that silver too, that if silver can get out of this, if silver can try and get out of this, okay, this mess it has found itself, break above here or below, all right, then that we can have a good opportunity for a buy or a sell. Then I also looked at I got a signal for other RPS. Okay, I've traded this today and it was fun. I've traded that's CHF JPY. I've traded USD JPY, USD CHF also. At this point it was also fun, all right, and several other assets. Okay, and several other assets, but currently this is what I have. A GBP New Zealand. I actually entered at the close of this candle. Okay, so if it will keep us in the game, definitely it should go past, you know, this level. And how did I make the analysis? This was just the analysis. Okay, I used several factors, okay, to analyze, you know, the market. Several factors, several things that we have to actually look at, and also this amazing indicator, okay, amazing software that has, you know, so seriously helped the business of my trading. Okay, that's helped me so very much. Okay, seriously, I mean it, that's helped me so very much to help me to not worry too much about analyzing the market, because I had to pour every of my idea into building it, and it is, you know, helping to fine-tune the business of trading for me. So I'll still come up and, you know, talk about more opportunities if anyone arises, and if not, then this will be for tomorrow. The next video that I'm going to make, you know, for you guys will be for tomorrow. So thank you very much. Watch the YouTube versions that I made. It was so splendid, so superb. And you can also join the Telegram channel. So we are just a growing community. It's nothing big at all. We're just a very minute and tiny, you know, a group of people that have come together, and, you know, we are all benefiting one way or the other from it. But the most important thing is, anybody, if you're interested in this software, get in touch with me. I'll tell you how to go about it. Okay, it's just $199. And thank you, and I'll see you in another one.